always manages to find me. How did you find me? I was hiding from you. Come on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an office makeover. I'm in my guest bedroom because that is where I'm going to kind of make an office. I don't need a full office. I really just need a place to work, like a desk and a chair and some things set up. And I feel like it will definitely help me feel like I'm productive and like I've got my work setting and then I've got my life setting, because working on the couch, I can tend to get distracted by like what's going on in my home, like the laundry needs to be done or the kitchen needs to be cleaned, and it's just a lot. We do have an extra room that is Sam's office. I considered both of us sharing the office, but we just do not work the same. We just don't. I am very focused, getting stuff done, and he is very like, listens to things or is talking, and it just doesn't mesh well. And since my job is so flexible and I don't need to be at a desk every single day, I decided that I would just have it in the guest bedroom and just like a little area for myself. So I'm gonna kick off the video with us going to Target to go get some little things. I ordered a ton of stuff off of Amazon, and the desk I got off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm really happy about that find. It was originally $350 and I got it for $150. Love a good deal. So after we go to Target, we'll do a little haul of office supplies and things like that, and then we'll set it all up. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I like to post some of my daily life on there. I'll probably make a reel of like me putting my desk together. I feel like that would be really fun. And if you're new here, be sure to stick around and subscribe. I make a lot of lifestyle, home, and faith content. So if you like those things, be sure to subscribe and stick around. So with all that being said, let's head out to Target. We are back from Target, and let me tell you, it's been a long time since I've just like meandered around Target, and I loved it. It was very nice, and there's a reason why it's been a long time, because I felt like I did it too often and it's just not the best habit. So it made it all the more special, which is kind of sweeter. But let's get into everything I've gotten for this haul for the office. I try to keep it minimal and practical. There were so many things, especially in Target, that I thought were so cute, but all of them were revolving around like paper goods for a desk. And sadly, I just don't use a lot of papers with my job. Everything's pretty much online. So I didn't really need all the cute like paper clips and like magnets and paper holders and things like that. So let's start with the first thing I got, like I mentioned earlier, is this desk. And I love this desk. I've wanted it for a very long time. I love the size, the color. I think the legs are called trellis legs. I love those. I love that style. It has two like extendable little side tables on each side. Will I use this? Probably not. I don't know. And then it has one drawer, and then it's just pretty long, which I really like. I got that off of Facebook Marketplace for $150, and I've seen them on Facebook Marketplace before. One, they go by really quick, and two, sometimes they're $200, $250, and I got this for $150, which was perfect, a great steal. Let's go ahead and start with the Amazon items. I will have these linked on my Amazon storefront that you can check out down below. I have everything on there that I use and love, from house stuff to teddy stuff to clothes, and I'll also create an office section so you can easily see all the things I love. The first thing I got is this acrylic laptop stand. Typically whenever I edit for a long time, my back hurts and my neck hurts. I'm like looking down, so I'm trying to elevate my laptop, and then I also got a keyboard and things like that. To make it kind of like a desktop. I chose acrylic because I didn't want the desk to look crowded. That stresses me out. I felt like it was just the most neutral, though I don't really love the acrylic vibe. And this was actually kind of expensive. I was really surprised. If I remember correctly, I think it was like $50. Maybe it was $40. I don't know, it was a lot, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. So going along with that, I got this like off-brand keyboard. I considered getting the Apple keyboard, like the Magic Mouse and the like Magic keyboard, but I didn't really feel like spending $175 on it, and let me explain why. I've never really used my laptop as a desktop, so I would hate to spend that money and then not actually use it. So if I'm using this and I find that I love it, then I'll go ahead and invest in the Apple one, but I just don't know how I feel about it. The next thing I got is this mat for the desk. Since I got a mouse, this will work great as like a mouse pad, and it's just like very large. It's faux leather, so you can even set a drink on it and things like that. Since this is wood, I do need to be careful about like leaving rings. The next things I got are these drawer organizers. They're 2 inches, which is the size of the drawer. And I don't know if I'll use all of these, but I do need them to organize like my pens and things like that. I feel like this will be great. I also want to use them to organize my cords. Speaking of cords, you can't really see these, but I got these cord ties and they're like reusable, they're silicone. So I'm gonna use these to kind of keep all my cords individual. Right now they're just in a basket all tangled up. Okay, now onto the more like papery type stuff from Amazon. So first are these Mr. Pen highlighters, and look how beautiful these colors are. They're actually made for highlighting in your Bible. They're very light colored, so you can still see all the words and things like that. That's what I use them for. I'm actually working with them in a few upcoming videos, which I'm really excited about. I actually use sticky notes a ton, so I got these really cute, like aesthetically pleasing ones. So these have lines, this one has like a grid, and then this one's just blank, and then it's the same thing but with white. I also got this to do notepad, and I need to tear that off, but this is what it looks like, and it just has like a list. I always end up making these, and so I thought it'd be nice to just have one that I can just keep out on my desk because I love a good to-do list. Okay, now to Target. The main reason I went to Target was because I was looking for a lamp. I knew I wanted a lamp in here, and look what I found. How cute is this? This was hidden in the back. I literally was leaving the aisle feeling defeated that I didn't really find a lamp I was looking for. And then I saw this out of the corner of my eye. It was like a magical moment. And I feel like this is perfect. I wanted a more taller lamp, and I love the ones that arch over, but I wasn't really into the vibe of like the typical desk lamp. And I love this. I think it's so cute. So we'll see if it fits with the vibe of the desk. And just in case it doesn't, I got this one, though it's a little lower and like fatter. So I'll see which one I like best. We weren't too badly priced. There was a lamp that I loved, but it was $80. I'm not paying $80 for a lamp for my desk. Now maybe my side table that I use every single night, sure. I just don't think I'm actually gonna be using this every single day. So I didn't want to spend $80. So I think both of these were like $50, $55. Obviously, I had to get some light bulbs, so I just got a pack of 4. Then I got this little storage box. I loved the color and the detailing. I don't know if you can see how it is, but it's almost like alligator skin kind of design, and it's green and like light green. I love green, and I felt like this would be a great way to bring in color, but I still consider green a neutral, and I think it'd be great for storing little tiny things I don't necessarily want out but maybe don't fit in my drawer. I'm thinking this would be great for like my hard drive, my SD cards, so it's easy to reach but hidden. And then the last little thing I got was just this tiny little vase. I thought it was really cute, and I love having little vases. And then I got home and I was like, I have so many little vases around my house. Like, I could have just repurposed it somewhere. So I might return it depending if I feel like it's needed or not. We'll see. I already had a desk chair that I actually used in our apartment. It's from World Market. You'll see it in a second. And then I've also had some little other desk things just here and there that I've been using. But that is everything I specifically bought. So now I'm going to organize everything. And what I mean by everything is everything I just bought and everything I already own, which means going through all my cords, all my cameras, all my SD cards. So it will be a little chaotic. So we'll do that, and then we'll decorate the desk together, and then I'll do a little desk tour. Why is it that I cannot throw away any technology boxes? I've got 3 iPhone boxes, our like Google Nest box. Should I just throw them away? Why do I keep them? I don't know. I just organized everything over here, and I even grabbed some books because I might want to decorate with those. So I found some like neutral covered ones. And then these are just some decorations that I already had. And then I organized the rest of my tech stuff, which honestly took me a while. And I'll just put this basket under my desk because I reach for these things a lot, but my main things will hopefully all fit in here or in the drawer. So let's decorate. I just finished, so now let's do a little desk tour and I'll take you guys through all my organization and things like that. So we'll go from left to right. So this is everything I was able to fit in there. I still have some extra room. This holds all my SD cards. This is my hard drive, an extra battery. This is what I use to connect like everything to it, and then my lens cap. This is really everything I reach for pretty much every single day and always need with me. And then I put these alabaster books right here. I feel like they're just so beautiful. I love them so much, so I feel like that was great and it kind of elevated it a little bit. Then I just have my iPad here and then this leather mat. So hopefully this will be a great mouse pad. I don't really love the way it looks, but I think that it will serve me well for the mouse pad and having the keyboard there and just like letting everything stick well. And then I put my laptop on the acrylic stand. I actually haven't tried this out yet, but I feel like that's a much better setup. And then I have this keyboard and mouse, and then I have my little to-dos pad here and this beautiful lamp. I actually love the way that it looks with the art on the wall. When we put the art here, we didn't know that I would have my desk here, so I wasn't really planning on having it like that, but I actually really love it, and I feel like the lamp kind of evens out the whole thing. I don't know, I really like it, and I like the brightness of it and everything. And then I just put this little candle right here. And this is my chair that I had in my previous one. Teddy jumped up here with dirty paws the other day. I need to take some cleaner to it. This is actually a dining chair, but it's so important to me that I'm comfortable, so that's why I got it when I did. And then this is the drawer. I just put like all the cables that I will need and some like little charging cubes, and then my little highlighters and the pens that I use underneath. And then these are all of my magnetic bookmarks. I love these things. I use them all the time for my books or in my Bible. And then I put all of my sticky notes right here. My glasses, these are blue light, these are prescription. A stapler, because I actually use a stapler often. The only reason I use this is because whenever we do Bible studies, I typically print them out. So I feel like I'm always using a stapler. And then of course my Laneige, can't go without it. And then I put my basket over here. I considered putting a trash can in here, but I really don't think I'll need it, just because again, I don't really use much paper. So I am just so happy with how it turned out. I think it's so cozy, and I think it will make my work life a lot better. As always, I will have everything linked down below if you guys want to shop any of these things. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you think I missed anything that I need, or I don't know, maybe to move things around if it would look better. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.